The 2026 annual Maroons celebration in Accompong, St. Elizabeth has seen a noticeably smaller crowd as the parish continues to recover from the passage of Hurricane Melissa. As you'll hear in this report, those who made the journey say culture and heritage outweigh the challenges left behind by the weather system.
The hills of Accompong are usually vibrant in January, but this year things are quieter than normal. With Hurricane Melissa still fresh in residents' minds and evident on the buildings, preparations for the annual Maroon celebration are underway, but the atmosphere is different.
Nice, the hurricane come and take away a lot. So, you know, we now go 100% like last year, but we still have to move on.
Our news team visited the historic Maroon settlement on Tuesday as vendors set up tents and final touches were being made for the cultural showcase. Noticeably absent, however, the massive influx of patrons typically seen at this time of the year.
The eve like yesterday, more events are going. I man like now, it's a more upright and more events are going. But it looks like this year compared to last year.
But for this vendor, the celebration is bigger than numbers.
I not sell out, and my culture, so I still a come. It's not like about money making. My culture, so I still a go support. I still a give me support. You see me, some people just say, you know, they just come to sell and make a money or whatever. Because last year the crowd, you know, seller. You know, see none this year. Because it's just the money making. But, you know, I have to give the support to Accompong.
Others echoed the same sentiment.
We don't sit there at all. Hurricanes from the south and the neither. So give thanks anyway. Respect, man.
As Accompong marks another year of Maroon heritage, the message is clear. Storms come and go, but the spirit of the Maroons live on. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.
Impassioned appeals for help this evening from taxi operators in Bath, St. Thomas. It follows the poor state of roads in the parish that they say is drilling holes in their pockets. The taxi operators told TVJ News that road conditions have worsened due to heavy rains.
You see how some type of road will fix and something. What's about bad? We not on the map. No, sir, man. Really, but I'm tired. Right now, I'm tired. I'm just a rock, so. All about the place.
We feel it every day, up and down, car parts, badly want to fix, man. So we need the authority them to do something about it, you know?
The community nearly washed the other day. So we just ask that, you know, some assistance may render to the road right now because it's really, you know, bad.
They explain that the road from Bath to Port Morant has been in a terrible state for many years and they feel neglected by the authorities.
Last time they come patch out, then stop right down the road down there, sir. Up there, sir, then they pass there, sir. And that's when election come. Then right back guns there, so then stop. Do something for it, because the whole of we are one, you know. I whole of we use it, you know. PMP, GLP, whosoever.